Standardize maintenance issues and automate work order templates. Maintenance standardization begins in the workshop master, the foundation for consistent service delivery. Issue name defines the specific technical problem reported during maintenance activities. Establishing clear records enables precise tracking of equipment failures and facilitates accurate historical performance analysis across the entire fleet. Asset class categorizes issues by equipment type to ensure proper technician assignment. Estimate time establishes the expected duration for resolving the identified maintenance issue. Estimated cost provides a baseline financial projection for necessary parts and labor requirements. Description captures detailed symptoms and technical observations to guide the repair process and technician troubleshooting. Work order templates link specific issues to standardized service protocols and essential safety inspection steps. Issue connects the template to a predefined problem while procedure and template name define the exact workflow. These designations ensure that maintenance staff follow approved methods and use consistent terminology for all reporting. Weightage department and priority levels determine task urgency and resource allocation across specialized teams. These fields dictate how the system ranks work orders and which department is notified for execution. Template parts pre-populate the required inventory items to streamline procurement for common repairs. Including specific components like air filters or power boards ensures that all necessary parts are reserved automatically. This prevents stockout delays, improves financial tracking, and maintains high system availability for the organization. Centralized templates ensure procedural compliance and significantly reduce manual data entry. This standardization drives operational efficiency and guarantees high-quality maintenance across the entire facility. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.